Weezy out of here. Weezy out of here.
Sawadee ka.
This is my friend.
Yes.
And I
You good?
I got the goods. Good. Nice.
Where do you want to sit?
Wherever you want.
Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
Mind your step, girl. Hello. Sawadee ka.
Oh, thank you.
It's beautiful.
Guys, we just checked into the Rayavadee. We took a private taxi, a plane, a private van, and a private boat. And now we're here.
Club, another club,
And this
another
shit
club,
nice.
cleaning, next place, no sleep.
This is nice. And
This
it comes
bed-
with this. We can take this wherever we want. Hey.
We are not supposed to be here. This is crazy. I can't even show you guys the size of this bed. Jermaine, lay on the bed so they can see how big it is. Look at how big this bed is. He's 6 foot tall. Oh my goodness. So they're gonna bring our luggage to the room. I think we're gonna go and get some lunch at one of their restaurants. We're gonna explore the property and lounge around a bit. And they brought us champagne too. Wow. This place is so fancy, I can't believe it. We're only here one night, so we're gonna enjoy it. Come here.
I got black, I got white, what you want? Look at this menu.
You can open it.
It's fancy.
They just
Be
brought
eating
us. They just brought us a turmeric bread with a peanut sauce. That looks spicy. We just had some lunch by the beach and now we're gonna come and hang out at the pool. This is the view. Stunning.
Can you open my eyes?
kayak in the ocean. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. There's a beach.
It's not, these are just dead muscles.
There's nowhere to go.
Oh, nope.
Oh, fuck. There are monkeys everywhere. 26 acres of monkeys. 28 acres of monkeys. Here's the humidity.
Oh my god, what?
Hello. It just refogged immediately.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. That just made it worse. We just got to our dinner reservation at the Grotto, and we're eating inside of an actual cave overlooking the water, and Jermaine did a fancy table setup. So I'll show you guys. Is it good or strong? Oh.
You see that?
Oh, it's strong.
It's gin.
It's tequila.
Didn't know. Oh my god, that looked crazy. Oh, it's butter. Wow, why did I think this was like some chocolate or something?
That's suspicious.
That butter is like
Butter.
damn near cheese.
Quinoa, the snow pea and chickpea.
Snow pea. Okay,
Okay.
nice.
Put some olive oil and some paprika and mozzarella.
Alright,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Okay.
A little flour. Did you eat your flour?
No. You gonna eat the flour?
Yeah.
I don't want to eat the flour.
Mm.
I like it. It's like
Eat it.
citrusy.
Don't taste like anything.
Oh my goodness.
I think that's
What is that?
gear.
Year?
Yeah, however you
Yeah.
fucking say it. It's cheese.
Wet cheese.
Wet from the humidity.
Wet from the
cheese.
humidity.
Smooth.
Round two.
Here.
Can we try it?
It's like pressure. I fucking love seeing that. I'm disappointed that not many places sell it in the U.S.
That's very interesting, but I'm not
It's
interested.
way better than Bud Light places.
The pumpkin risotto.
Nice, thank you.
Ladies, asparagus tempura plate and
Oh.
Szechuan aubergine, Szechuan eggplant.
Oh my goodness, there's two.
This set asparagus tempura and this one Szechuan lasagna.
Like always, the behind the scenes. I forgot to give you guys a first taste test, so we're gonna pretend like we didn't just eat it and we're gonna try it again. Ready to try it?
give it an 8.
Risotto's good.
I don't think I'm a
Definitely seems like
risotto
a-
person. It's kind of like,
It's like creamy rice.
I
risotto.
know. I don't want that one. Oh,
More lightning. No, there's something going on. It's the fucking Wizard of Oz over there.
goodness.
Okay, happy birthday.
Thank
You can do a
you.
video record if you want.
Thank you so much.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Hey, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You gotta blow it out. You gotta blow it out.
Make a wish.
ผมว่าต้องเอาไว้วายด้วยนะฮะนี่ก็มีชูริปนิด Happy birthday.
How
That's so
cool
sweet.
was that?
I wasn't expecting that. This is a whole cake.
Yeah.
And my brother's wine.
Wow. It's good.
I don't know if we're just not cut out for fancy hotels or if this is maybe a normal thing and I've just never been to a really fancy 5-star hotel before. But we just got back from our dinner reservation. We were gone for like 3 hours. And they came in the room and cleaned everything. Like, they came in the bathroom. They moved all of my skincare and like my toiletries and lined it up on a towel and cleaned the shower. And like they moved my purse and like my panties and everything. Like none of this was in a line like this. I was in a rush getting ready for dinner. Is that normal? Or are we just from California and we don't trust people?
Oh fuck. No.
Why are they calling us? Good morning vlog. We check out of here around 12 and we have to catch a boat to our next hotel. But I think we're gonna grab some breakfast, lounge out by the pool, and I know Jermaine wants to kayak a little bit more. I'm doing terrible with these outfit of the days, so I'm starting the morning outfit of the day. I'm wearing this bikini from Bydee Swim. It's an Australian brand. And the cover up is the same. It's just a set. It's really cute and it's purple and I don't usually wear purple. But I'm gonna throw on some black linen pants and just my Haviainas flip-flops and jewelry. I have this body chain from Amazon. I have my regular rings and then these bamboo hoops from the beauty supply store. No makeup, DIY lash extensions. I didn't tell you guys my outfit from last night for our birthday dinner celebration. It was a custom beaded and gemstone top from Avoir Beading, and it's a small business owned by one woman, and I think she's based out of Miami, but she did it custom with the crystals, and my skirt was from Murci The Label, and my shoes were vintage. Let's go. You gonna eat it? Eat it. I've never eaten quail. This whole property is an actual fairy tale. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh hell no!
Hell no, man.
What the?
Fuck, man.
I have to brush up against nothing.
If you know what kind of bugs those are, let me know. Cause they shit nasty.
Holy fuck.
We're about to get all of our luggage on this boat right now. Hopefully nothing gets wet. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We did it. We just got to our new hotel, Centara Grand, so I'm gonna give you guys a tour.
Two shots of vodka.
An accessory.
Hey! Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven. Oh, I broke the lamp. For too long.
Get your ass in out the body of guy watching certified level boy, certified pedophile. Gonna strike a chord and it's probably a minor. 69 God, freaky ass nigga, you're 69 God. Hey, run for your life.
We just spent like 3 hours in our little hot tub. Probably drank more wine than we should have. Apparently with the fancy room that we booked, we're part of the elite club and we get free cocktails, so we're gonna go do that if we can find it.
This way.
That way. The only way to have a gin and tonic. Extra limes. You better not.
Yep.
And your honey coke?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Guys, I got gin and tonic.
Why are you whispering?
Yeah, you're out of the frame, but they know who you are.
You see my ring?
Mm-hmm. Wanna see? Y'all see that shit? Y'all see that shit? Okay. Okay. Core is our server at the little private area, and she's the sweetest. You guys, I'm not joking. Every single country we go to, they always love you.
I know. Got that dog energy. Got that dog in me.
We just found the pool. I didn't even know there was a pool here.
It's so beautiful. We have 10 minutes for happy hour.
Do you know you have 30 minutes?
Let's get it in.
Give me that.
Give me that.
Oh, right here.
Buy one, get one.
Oh, yeah? What are we doing?
We got a super Western dinner because we're feeling basic.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti tastes this? I thought it was gonna be a white sauce for some reason.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti is the pasta, not the sauce.
I know, but spaghetti is a red sauce.
Your face is a red sauce. Okay.
I'm in the bathroom in the main dining area for the Japanese restaurant, and I hear piano. And I just know it's Jermaine playing, I can tell. We've been exploring after dinner, and I figured I should give you guys an outfit of the night so I don't forget, because I keep forgetting. I'm wearing this dress from Jaded London, and it's backless. And I just have on my Haviainas because I'm literally wearing them everywhere. It's so cute.
That made me feel so dizzy. Oh my god.
Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, guys. We just got back to the room after having some of the buffet breakfast, and I made Jermaine take some photos of me in that Bydee outfit I wore yesterday because the photos we took yesterday were terrible, but that's okay. I want to do a little outfit of the day real quick. My cover up is from Andi Bagus, and then my bikini is from Bayu Swim. I have my Lolita bangles on, my same earrings from yesterday, and then I'm gonna throw on this hat. That's Jermaine's hat. The hat makes me look super American, but I'm getting a tiny bit of a sun rash on my forehead, so I want to protect myself while we're out there today. Let's go. It literally was so sunny maybe 5 minutes ago, and then it turned gray and started pouring rain. Everybody left the pool and all of the beds on the beach and sprinted. But it's humid, so you're already wet. You might as well just get a little rain.
A little wetness.
Yeah, it's crazy.
I just closed.
There's a lot of stingrays here.
Have you ever been in the ocean in the rain?
No.
What was that?
Something just went across my foot, but I'm okay.
I'm fucking at it.
I think it was a leaf or like a seaweed. It did it again. I think it's a seaweed. I hope it's a fucking seaweed. Look at him. I scared him. My only struggle being an island girl is I'm scared of what's in the water.
We're back up at the room, sunbathing, hanging out. We got a couple hours to kill until cocktail hour. It's like a sponge cake. I don't know how the universe always works for us, but we just left the cocktail area and came to the Teppanyaki restaurant, the Japanese restaurant. There's no one here.
We're the only ones in the whole
We're the only ones in the
restaurant.
whole restaurant. There's one teppanyaki table. And look. The whole place. He better throw some like veggies in my mouth. Yep. That's what I needed.
Hold on, here we go. You like it?
That is so good.
Good. Yeah, some of that.
That's fucking bomb. What's your name?
I'm France.
France?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
First time warm up.
Okay.
Okay, I'm warm up.
All right.
Oh.
Woo!
Skill.
Nice.
Nice. Oh, switch it.
1, 2, 3.
One, two, three.
It was close. You hit the side of my cheek. Ready?
So good.
Wow! The camera overheated from the teppanyaki stove, but 11 out of 10. We have a 7 a.m. boat tour. Good morning, you guys. It's bright and early. It's about 8 a.m. and we're waiting for our boat to come pick us up. We're gonna go do a private boat tour of the Hong Islands with Boat and Beyond. I'm excited. I took my Dramamine, so hopefully I don't get seasick, but we'll see soon. Good morning, Karika.
Good morning. Hi.
out of here.